Sometimes your mind feels overloaded. Thoughts race, focus slips, even simple tasks feel heavy. But here's the truth. Your brain isn't tired, it's waiting for you to reboot it. And yoga is one of the most powerful ways to do that. Today, we're going through 12 yoga poses designed to sharpen your mind, boost memory, reduce stress, and activate your brain's natural energy. If you stay till the end, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and deeply grounded. Let's begin. 1. Child's pose, letting the mind slow down. This gentle forward fold instantly calms the nervous system. As your forehead melts toward the mat, blood flow increases toward the brain, bringing clarity and focus. It's like pressing a reset button before your practice even begins. Let your breath slow. Let your mind soften. 2. Cat-cow stretch, awakening brain-body connection. Every time your spine moves, your brain wakes up. Cat-cow boosts circulation in the spinal cord, improves coordination, and activates the part of your brain linked to focus and emotional balance. Think of this as your mental warm-up. 3. Standing forward fold, improving blood flow to the brain. When you fold forward, fresh oxygen-rich blood rushes upward. This helps improve memory, concentration, and mental clarity. Stay here for a moment and feel your thoughts untangle. 4. Eagle pose, strengthening your brain's coordination centers. Balancing poses build new neural pathways. Eagle pose demands focus, mental discipline, and cross-body coordination. This activates both hemispheres of the brain, improving problem-solving and memory retention. 5. Tree pose, sharpening focus and stability. Tree pose teaches the mind to become still. The more your body wobbles, the more your brain learns to stabilize. This pose is excellent for improving concentration, inner balance, and mind-body awareness. 6. Downward facing dog, energizing the brain. A mild inversion that refreshes your entire nervous system. As blood flows toward the head, mental fatigue reduces. You feel more awake, more alive, and more ready to absorb whatever comes next. 7. Triangle pose, expanding mental space. Opening your chest and lengthening your spine creates space not just in your body but in your mind. Triangle pose improves focus, enhances balance, and promotes healthy brain oxygenation. 8. Camel pose, releasing emotional blockages. Many people don't realize this. Emotional tension drains brain power. Camel pose stretches the front body and opens the heart, releasing stress and improving emotional clarity. A calm heart supports a sharp mind. 9. Seated forward bend, improving memory and stress relief. This gentle stretch quiets the parasympathetic nervous system, which boosts memory retention and mental calmness. It's a powerful pose for students, professionals, and anyone dealing with overwhelm. 10. Bridge pose. Stimulating the brain and nervous system. Bridge activates the spine and regulates the brain's alertness centers. It helps reduce anxiety and improves overall brain function. As the chest lifts, your breath deepens, a cue for your brain to reset. 11. Alternate nostril breathing, balancing both brain hemispheres. This is not just breathing, it's restoration at a neurological level. Alternate nostril breathing balances the left, logical, and right, creative sides of the brain, bringing instant clarity and emotional stability. 12. Corpse pose, integrating everything. The moment your body becomes still, your brain begins repairing, sorting, and restoring. Savasana isn't just lying there. It's the moment your brain rewires itself after the entire session. Your brain is powerful. It just needs space, movement, and breath to return to its full strength. If you practice these 12 poses with me, You have already improved your focus, memory, and mental clarity today. If you enjoyed this session, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment which pose made your mind feel the calmest. Your journey to a sharper, healthier brain starts right here.